What is it? Hey? What are you saying? I'm trying to pick out the little circles on your back. Stand still. Stop smiling at me. All these little circles on your back that nobody's noticing. We'll say that's just your pattern. Like your tweed or, I don't know, paisley or something. You've got all these little... What are you saying, Bear? What is it? What is it? I'm not doing anything. I know I've got a camera out. I know. Have you had experience of this, have you? Hey? Has anybody pointed a camera at you and taken a video? Did they? Do you think we'll find them? Do you think somebody will tell us about the videos? Do you? Do you think somebody will have some kind of... I'm not hurting anybody, I'm just taking a video, look, I know. Who's got videos of somebody being horrible to my boy? Hey?